Hello, Killeen. I'm Janelle Ford. We hope everyone enjoyed the holiday, and now we want to get you caught up on everything happening in our great city. We're less than 1 month from Election Day, and there's a lot on the ballot. On Saturday, May 7th, voters will decide on a mayor, 3 at-large city council seats, and 13 city charter amendments. Start doing your research now on KilleenTexas.gov/election, because the first day of early voting is Monday, April 25th. You'll find all the important dates on our website. We hope to see you at our annual Easter egg hunt on April 14th at the Killeen Athletic Complex. The event is from 5:30 to 8:30, and the actual egg hunt is at 6:30. We'll have free activities like face painting and photos with the Easter Bunny, as well as food trucks and more. Don't forget to bring your own basket or bag. A day packed with live entertainment and culture awaits during our Celebrate Killeen event from April 28th through April 30th. The 3 days of fun will also include local artists, food vendors, and a film fest as we celebrate the diversity of the city. This event is part of our monthly downtown event series. Calling all young artists, the Youth Advisory Commission is holding an art show on April 30th at Lions Club Park from 2 to 5. It's a celebration of Global Youth Service Day and is open to 4th through 12th grade students. Artwork will be displayed, and the community will have a chance to vote for their favorite. Register at KilleenTexas.gov/volunteers by April 22nd. You still have time to participate in our Main Library's National Poetry Month workshops. The Main Library is helping teens and adults explore how to write in different styles of poetry each Thursday in April at 2 o'clock. Last chance to sign up for the 7-on-7 Youth Football League. The registration deadline is April 17th for ages 8U to 14U, and the cost is $300 per team. Head to KilleenTexas.gov/athletics for more information. There will be a free document shredding event in the parking lot of the Lions Club Aquatic Center on Saturday, April 23rd from 9 to 1. Residents must show proof of residency. You can find those events and more by visiting our website at KilleenTexas.gov and checking out all of our social media platforms. Enjoy your week.